Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Sense of Being. So, I hope you all are very good watching these videos, and those who are not, they are also good. So today I will be talking about three Avengers. One of them is the original one of them is a replica or a duplicate one. How I got this idea of doing this video. One of my friend told me that I'm getting a Aventus for 5,000 rupees. So I thought, how could you get Aventus for 5,000? So he told me he's getting. So I asked him, okay, I will pay you for that. Let's bring that bottle. We will be buying that bottle for 5,000. And so I bought this bottle, the replica one. This is here. The original is this side. So I smelled that perfume, and it was like a 15 minutes. I'm telling you, 15 minutes. This replica was like a original smell. After 15 minutes, I don't know where it went. 15 minutes gone. Gone. I can't smell it, man. So, uh, very bad. They have copied the bottle, they have copied the cap, they have copied the box, they have copied each and everything, but you can't copy the smell. Come on. 15 minutes and the smell is gone. I'm saying 15 minutes, I can't smell anything. So, very bad. I can say only one thing, bad man. You should do some better work. Come on, the people who are copying, come on, do it better. So, I don't have a original box. I'm having a replica box. One thing I want to say that if it had been the original one, I would have better feel for the creed written. Then second, they have copied the badge. It says A42B13. Okay. So you can see. Okay. So they have copied the one of the best batches. So, but you can't smell that. Okay, so let's compare with the bottles. First of all, I want to talk about the cap. The replica one or duplicate one has or the artificial has a very loose cap. It doesn't fit. The original is a tight one. You have to take it out. It's a tight one. First difference. Then second, I want to say they have done a very good job. They have, you know, a very good job. But the difference of weight of the cap is very different. The original will be the heavy one, the duplicate one will be the light one. So here again, we haven't done a good work. The people who are making replicas or to duplicate. So second, I want to say one thing which is very important, which I didn't find. Most of the people will be finding that in the original one. The reference number or the serial number is not there. They have done written creed and everything very properly, but the number is not there. I can't find any number. They have written creed made in France, Paris, HP, then this side one. They have done everything, but there's no. They don't have this number. A42B13 RO1. They don't have this R01. They don't have this one. And if I talk about the original, they do have 4G01. So they are having this one. This thing is missing, first of all. Second of all, if I talk about the top, always remember any Creed perfume. I'm not talking about Avengers. I'm not talking about Mountain, Silver Mountain, and GIT and Himalaya. Each and every perfume of Creed will be filled till the top. when I found this one, this was not filled on the top. So always remember, Creed perfumes are always filled till the top. Second difference, the box will never be packed in a plastic. It will not be wrapped in a plastic. Always remember, any Creed perfume box will not be packed in a plastic. Then sprayer. The they both have very good sprayers, and the smell is also very similar till for just few seconds. Uh, I can smell, but after 15 minutes, as I said, the smell is gone. Let me check one more time. Very minute. Before starting the video, 15 minutes back, I sprayed. 15-20 minutes back, I sprayed. And before starting the video, I tried to sniff it, and the original can be smelled very easily. Apart from that, I just wanted to say one more thing, that when you smell direct, as you open the box of a Creed, or maybe you remove the cap, you can easily smell the smell of the Aventus. But if I talk about the replica one, I can't smell like this. Taking so close to my nose, but I can't smell the smell of the Aventus. But the original, it's easy to smell. So these are the few differences, and okay. So I have covered all the things. This time I took all the notes written, and all the things have been covered. Just wanted to say, the market is very huge of replicas. Not only Aventus, but many designer brands. They are having each and every perfumes of replica, duplicates. They are making. So please take care of yourself, not to buy the duplicates, not to uh, buy a original perfume. Don't buy the duplicate one. Try to be safe, and don't let your friends or maybe your family members, don't let them also buy a duplicate. I'm doing these types of videos just to help people not to go for the duplicates one. And apart from that, because in Indian market, I know which country the duplicate is coming. I don't want to name those countries, but the duplicate products are coming, perfumes are coming. And the people who are staying in Mumbai, please be aware of duplicate one, because the market is huge. They are having in Mumbai, they are having the original and as well as duplicates also. So please be aware of not buying the duplicate perfume. So uh, you know. So yeah, today I was not wearing any perfume. In the evening I'll be wearing. You all must have heard a company known as Perfumum Roma. I have a full bottle. In a bottle, you get this roll on. So, in evening, I will be going for AZ686. It's a very good perfume for summers. Easy 14 plus hours, not gone anywhere. Easy 14 hours on your skin, on your clothes. This will smell. The sillage will be there. The projection will be there. 14 hours. You can use this in high heat, no problem. People will smell you. So I'll be using this one in today. I'll be using this. Apart from that, next video, ladies, the next video is for you. So I'll be talking about a few perfumes for the ladies and the girls who can use it, who can smell good, and the guys can compliment you. So wait till that time, and I'm planning two videos. Basically, one is for the ladies one, and the second is for list of summer perfumes. Basically, 20 perfumes I will be including. I'll be not be going for niche and the designer. I'll be including both the perfumes in the same list. So wait till that time and be happy, be clean, keep clean your surrounding, and take care and smell good. Don't always smell good because it's too hot. It's too hot, so you will be sweating. So always smell good till the time. Take care and Jai Hind. Don't buy duplicate. Buy the original ones.